Hello, Main Street School families. I'm excited to be able to connect with you again and wish you a good morning. I hope that all of you who celebrated either Easter or Passover enjoyed those special holidays. Joke of the week. Where did the sheep get its haircut, Floppy Puppy? At the Baba shop. By the way, I had to cut my own hair because my Baba shop was closed and I miss seeing my barber Michelle. Now it's time for World Facts. This week's world question is, which continent has the most countries? Could it be Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, or the continent of Antarctica? The continent with the most countries is the continent of Africa, which has 54 countries. It's activity time. Staying active can make you feel both mentally and physically stronger. One activity you can do in your kitchen is to make your own Play-Doh. But make sure that before you do this activity, you get your parents' permission. To make Play-Doh, you will need 3 ingredients. You'll need water, flour, and salt. I'm going to use this red mixing bowl to put all my ingredients inside. First, I'll add a cup of flour. Next, I'll add a half cup of salt. And you can see that the half cup is just about half the size of the full cup. I'll also add half a cup of water. And then I'm going to mix all those things together in my bowl. Now, with this Play-Doh that you make, you can make this into any kind of shape you do with just regular Play-Doh. One thing I should tell you about this Play-Doh, though, is unlike the store-bought Play-Doh, it won't last forever. It lasts only about 4 weeks, and it lasts maybe a little longer if you refrigerate it. When you make the Play-Doh, it's going to turn into sort of a dusty white color. And you knead it with your fingers until it starts to get all mixed together. And you're kind of mix it with your hands, and you're going to make it into a nice big Play-Doh ball. And the more you knead it, the smoother your Play-Doh will be, and it'll take out those lumps of flour and all that, and you'll end up with a ball of Play-Doh that you can form into different shapes. You can add some food coloring to this. I will tell you, though, if you're going to use food coloring, do know that the food coloring can stain things, and after you finish, you're going to want to wash your hands. I'm going to break this into a smaller ball and just add some food coloring and see what that looks like. Okay, and here's my small lump of Play-Doh. I'm going to put a hole in the middle where I'm going to put my food coloring. I've got some blue food dye right here. I'm going to add about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more just in case. And then I'm going to fold that over and knead that in and start mixing that all together. The food dye will get on your hands, so be very careful that you're doing this in a place where it won't get on anything else, because you don't want to get food dye on things. It will permanently leave that blue color. It takes quite a while to get it so that all the colors firmly mixed in. You can beginning to see that it's starting to be blue. And you can use this as one color Play-Doh, and you can add different colors to make different food dye colors to make different color Play-Doh. I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Thank you for being kind, being your best, being safe, and being respectful. Thank you.